What's up, fam? We are on the street again. Today we are just driving around a little bit. It's late, I don't know. We're already almost 11, so just a small chill ride, a little bit of relaxing. I just want to show you around a little bit in my area today, where I mostly hang out and relax during the evening. A place called Maple Grove. It's actually a pretty nice place. They are building a lot there, so it's not done yet, but there's already a nice food market. I think at this time it's already closed, but yeah, still a nice place to go even in the night times. As you see here, this is like total normal living area. It's quite cozy. There's people just hanging around in the evening here everywhere. Not that much at this time anymore because we have Sunday evening. If you go a little bit earlier, the street is pretty full of people. And I still think about the question what kind of bike I want to buy in the future. I think like in the next, let's say 3 months, maximum 4 months, I want to exchange my baby. I can say clearly I'm happy with the CFMoto here. It is okay. There's not really major problems going on it, but I want a different bike. I'm not sure about a Ninja 1000 SX or any kind of naked. I'm a huge fan of naked bike. I would love to have a Ducati Street Fight, but they are expensive as hell here compared to like a Z1000 or something in this direction. I'm also interested in the new CFMoto versions. Let me go this way. This here is the new area of Maple Grove. Like I said, it's not done yet, but it is pretty huge. What I want to talk about is, I don't know, some people maybe realized it from the last 3 AM video. All the music in the last video, like the last 3 AM video I released, every single piece of music is my own. Like I created all of it. I even started a Spotify channel where I upload all my lo-fi music. If you're interested in lo-fi music, feel free to check the channel description or the video description. I will link my Spotify account there. I just released like an entire album with like 10 tracks, 10 or 11 tracks, I'm not sure yet. I think it was 10 and 1 single that I dropped. So yeah, if you like lo-fi music and if you want to support me on this way as well a little bit, feel free to check my Spotify channel. I actually cannot drive too fast here. Last time the police stopped me because I was speeding. But as you see, it is a nice area here. Let me check if the food court is still going on. I see tents, but I have no idea if it's still running or not. Oh yeah. It is still open. I just go past through. I just show you a little bit what's going on there. Why is there somebody blocking the street? Oh, they don't let people pass. I have to go around the long way. Or maybe I can just tell him I want to go to the 7-Eleven. Hi, sir. I want to go over to the 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven? Yep, thank you. Everything fine. There you see the food court on the backside already on the parking space. Oh, it is a huge parking space. They just use it for the food court at all. Here's a nice relaxing area for people. And yeah, I got an update. Last time I had a comment under my video that I am not a serious whatever motorbiker because I'm not wearing any kind of protection gear. Yes guys, I agree on that point. It is stupid. So please, if you're driving a motorbike and if you have protection gear, always wear it. The problem for me is, like I explained it already in a video, it is kind of hard for me to get clothing in my size here in Asia in general because I'm pretty big. That makes a problem to order stuff because in Europe my size is like what, 4XL, 3XL. Here in Asia it is what, 6XL or something. Means I cannot just order stuff here. So I have to import things and this is way more expensive compared to buy it just here locally. We'll just go out here. And that is the reason why I don't have full equipment. I already bought some gloves, as you can see today. I'm wearing some gloves, but of course it is not everything I want to wear, even for myself. But I have to work with that what I have at the moment. So yeah, don't blame me for that, please. I know that I'm working on it to get proper gear for sure. But like I said, it takes a little bit time. Let me just turn around here. There you actually see how huge this area is. I don't know what they plan here, but there's so much unused space here at the backside of Maple Grove that you still can build a lot of stuff. But let's see. Like I said, they are not done here. Oh, beautiful car. Look at this thing. It's a Porsche. And there you go. Another food court on this side. McDonald's left side, KFC, Starbucks right side, food court behind the second food court here in this area with like some jumping castles. I don't know if they call jumping castles for children. This blow up thingies. And they're building a 27 diner here, a burger house. Actually a really good burger house. So let me try to cross the main road. Always a little bit difficult here, but this time I got a good window. It smells like something is burning. I hope that's not my motorbike. What do you guys think about my exhaust? Write it down in the comment if you realize the exhausts I have on the bike, and what do you think about the sound? Because most people say, like on adventure bikes, especially on the MT650, it sounds absolutely terrible. In my mind, if you ask me, it doesn't sound that worse. If you ask me, the exhaust is crazy. Sometimes it's stressing me out because it's popping too much. Depends how I drive. Yeah, and there you see my area in the nighttime. Nothing special, just a normal Filipino town. Jollibees everywhere, McDonald's everywhere. SM City, shopping center here on the left. Closed obviously at this time. What I can say is the police presence is at the moment quite high at the nighttime. I'm never just checking on it, but at the moment doesn't matter where I go, there's always somewhere police driving around or standing around. I'm not sure if that is normal or if there's like whatever, something going on at the moment. I think they just guard around in the evening. But I can clearly say I love to drive around in the nighttime. There's not much traffic, just a couple of scooters and a couple of bikes, but you still can drive around pretty relaxed. Can't close my helmet. My visor is so dirty. It's crazy. I always forget to clean it before I go out, because I actually use two helmets. So let's go back to Maple Grove, grab a coffee at the 7-Eleven. There you see what I mean with my exhaust. If I drive it like stupid, it pops like stupid. If I have Filipinos watching this video, can someone explain me, please, what is a Kamote driver? Does it mean like crazy or reckless, or what is that? Because people telling me always I have to be more Kamote when I'm driving, but I don't know what they want. So if you know the answer, just let me know in the comments. Come, brother. Go on. Hi, boss.
Hello, where are you going, sir?
7-Eleven, thank you. Why is it locked here at the moment?
What?
Why is it locked at the moment? Because before never I see security here.
There's hold up.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, I do. Thank you. If I understand it right, there was, I don't know, a fighting or something going on here. That's why they take care who got in. Alright, I just took a coffee shot. I forget again to clean my visor. That was the major reason for me to stop at the 7-Eleven. I can clearly say I'm getting old. So, I will go back home now. I think it's late enough. Like I said, just a small video. In the next video I have something special. I go to a pretty well-known area here with a nice view and a nice street to drive. It's more, natural compared to that what we had in the last videos. So next video I am back in the nature. So yeah, like I said, if you want to support me, leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my Spotify account where I upload my lo-fi music. And I would say we see us in the next video. Take care, ride safe, and see ya. Bye bye.
Late night riding.